Hello students, this is Pratima Naik again. So I hope you all are fine and doing the self-study. So today our topic is operation on sets. Union, intersection, difference can be defined on the sets. So it is from class 11 CBSE syllabus. The objective of the lesson is we'll understand and perform set operations. We will learn to use Venn diagrams to represent sets and set operations. So first is operations on sets. You have learned so many operations carried on the number system, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Here also on sets we define the operations as complement, union, intersection, difference. We will read it gradually. For carrying operations on sets, we need Venn diagram very importantly. So what is Venn diagram? In mathematics, we use diagrammatic representation called Venn diagrams to visualize the relationship between sets and different set operations. Venn diagram, the name is after the mathematician John Venn. He was a British mathematician and he first initiated this Venn diagram. The diagrammatic representation is an aid to visualize various relationships between sets and set operations. So first we start from universal set. Universal set is the set that contains all the elements under the consideration in a given discussion is called the universal set. The universal set is denoted by capital U or epsilon, a Greek letter. For example, when we talk about the number system, set of natural number is a universal set and even number, odd number are subset of it. Similarly, when we talk about English alphabet, the whole English alphabet is the universal set and set of vowel is a small set of it. As I mentioned, if the elements currently under discussion are integers, then the universal set U is the set of all integers. It is represented by U is equal to set of all n is an integer. And here we should note that the universal set may change from problem to problem. Universal set is represented by a rectangle. So this is the simple Venn diagram. Universal set is represented by the rectangle and other sets can be circle or it can be oval in shape. First operation is complement of a set. It is a unary operation because it is carried on itself. The set of all elements of universal set that are not elements of A when A is a subset of U is called complement of set. The complement of set A is denoted by a dash or A raised to the power C. So this is the set builder form of A complement. It is the set of all X such that X belongs to universal set and X does not belong to set A. Complement of a set. Let U be set of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Though it contains only 8 elements, but for this circumstance, for this problem, it can be take a bigger set or universal set where A is equal to B, D, G, H. Then A complement will be all the set of all the elements of U which are not in A. So it will be as A, C, E, F and the Venn diagram of A complement is all the shaded portion. Let us take another example. Here universal set is set of natural number. So it is written in set builder form. It is set of all X. X belongs to natural number. Let A be the set of even number. Then A complement will be What? Yes, it will be odd natural numbers. So some fact to note, complement of a complement is same set. Complement of null set is universal set. Complement of universal set is null set. So next is of union of two sets. It is the binary operation because it is carried on two sets. It is defined as the union of two sets A and B is the set of elements which are either in A or in B or in both A and B. We write union of sets A and B as A, U, B, capital U. So you can note the reading notation. Capital U represent union. We read as A union B. A union B is the set of all elements X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Let's take an example. A is set contains element 11, 12, 13, 14 and B is a set contains the element 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. So we have to find A union B. So you will combine all the elements of A and B and one element will be written once. That means there will be no repetition. So A union B will contain 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the diagram represent the union. You must have seen that the common elements are within the boundary and union will be shaded the whole A and B. So next we'll note some fact about the union. For any set A union A is A the same set. Union of any set with null set is same set. A union phi is A. A union A complement is U, universal set. And if A is a subset of U, then A union U is universal set. If A is a subset of B, then A union B is equal to set B. And last is A union B is same as B union A, or we say union is commutative operation. Next operation is intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both set A and set B. We denote as A inverted capital U B. So note the reading notation. Inverted U symbol is used for intersection. A intersection B we read as A inverted UB symbolically, or set builder form we write A intersection B is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That means it belongs to both. Then only it comes under set of intersection. Take an example. A is the set containing elements A, B, C, D, E. B contains A, D, E, F. We have to find A intersection B. So first you have to find out which are common in it. So common elements are A, D, E. So A intersection B is equal to set of A, D, E. So see the Venn diagram. A, D, E are inside the common portion. So that will be shaded. Some fact related to intersection. A intersection A is A. A intersection phi is phi null set. A intersection A complement is again phi. A intersection B is same as B intersection A. A intersection universal set is same as A. If A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is A. And you can think of this task. When you are free, you can find it, or this is for your creativity. So see these Venn diagrams. So here the condition is B is a subset of A. So what will be the union and intersection when some set is subset of other? Here B is a subset of A. So when we take A union B, we'll shade the whole bigger set, it is A. And when we are taking the A intersection B, the smaller shade will be the solution, or it will be shaded. Next is, what will the intersection when two sets are disjoint? Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if there is no element common to both A and B. So if there is no common element, then the intersection will be a null set. So let us take an example. A set contains 5, 6, 7, 8. B contains 11, 12, 13. So certainly A intersection B has no element in common, so it will be 5. So that time we say A and B are disjoint sets. So the Venn diagram shows the A union B when A and B are disjoint or they don't have any common element. So it will be just combination of A and B. The shaded region represent A union B. Next operation is difference. Difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of all elements belonging to A but not to B. The difference of the two sets is denoted by A difference B or A slash B. Difference B is denoted by A minus B or A slash B. So A minus B is the set of all x. X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. Similarly, if we take difference of B and A, it will be denoted by B minus A or B difference A. It is the set of all x. X belongs to B but X does not belong to A. So let us observe the example. A contains 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. B contains 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. When we take A difference B, so we'll take the elements which are in A not in B. So they are 2 and 3. Similarly, when we want B difference A, we'll see the elements which are in B but not in A. So it will be 9 and 13. So these are the Venn diagrams showing A difference B shaded with green and B difference A shaded with blue. Next is symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the union of their difference and is denoted by A triangle B. Please observe the notation. A symmetric B denoted by A triangle in between, A triangle B, that is same as your determinant sign also, that is A difference B union B difference A. The Venn diagram represents the symmetric difference of A and B. This is same as A difference B union B difference A. We go for some Venn diagram to show different operations. First is A union B and the right side is A union B complement. Can you explain these two Venn diagram? Yes. First is A intersection B and second is A intersection B complement. Here we observe two Venn diagrams. In first figure it is A intersection B complement. This also can be written as A difference B. So A difference B is equal to A intersection B complement. Similarly, for second figure, it is A complement intersection B. This is same as B difference A. So they are equal. Venn diagrams are used to prove many concepts in set theory. So in this figure we'll prove another law, that is De Morgan's law. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. You see both the figure. First figure is A intersection B complement, and second is it is same as your A complement union B complement. De Morgan gave two laws related to this complement and operation on sets. Second law is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. If you see these two diagrams, you will find that they both are equal, and sometimes question is also asked to verify this when different sets are given. U is given, A is given, B is given. You have to prove these two laws. So next concept is fundamental theorem of set theory and application in word problems. It will be continued in next video. Till then you can do all the exercise questions and develop your problem solving. So this finishes the topic. I hope you have enjoyed. Many more concepts will be continued. You can solve different questions for problem solving, and all the best for your coming day. Thank you for watching. Please share the video with others.